Okay, so this is my pressure pot, and yeah, this one is the one for painting, and we just modify here. It's mostly on the top where you have to do some modifications here. It's not that hard, and you can have you find the tutorial in YouTube. And well, just to show you the setup, this is a big one. I'm pretty sure it's a 5-gallon, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, and I have a piece of wood right down there. It should be better if it's actually silicone pad or something, so you will be able to clean that. Okay, and let's just say this is my silicone mold. I pour the resin inside already, and then I have to locate it inside. I can put as many molds as I can fit here. That's not problem, okay? And then, well, I need to fit this on here on the pot. It's pretty heavy, but let's see. I just put it on the pot, and these 4 areas here have to match over here. I actually put a tape on that blue tape on there, so I will be able to match them. These are the lock keys, or the top of the pot, I will say. And I need to screw this on. Try to do the 4 of them kind of like at the same time, just to be sure you're evenly adjusting the tap, okay? And it's not like you have to really adjust the locks. Like, you know, I am not that strong, especially on my hands. I just do it as much as I can. You don't have to super do it to have it secure. So this is the compressor ball. The air is going to be coming through here, and I attach this into the pot, right? And here's where the air is going to start coming inside. Okay, let's just say, oh well, my pieces were sitting there already, pressurized with the air. This is the, you can call it faucet, the entrance and opening and closing. I think they call it gadget or something like that, but easier to call it just a faucet because it works like a faucet. And right now it's locked. You know, the air fills inside, and right now it's locked. From anything you do, I mean, you are like me, very forgetful about everything, you know. You cannot forget about the steps when you're using your pressure pot, or else it could be really dangerous. You can really harm yourself. And okay, a review. This is 100% for newbies, right? So this is open, and I locate the cable or my compressor so the air was able to come inside. All right, then I close it. I always close this, and it's pressurizing at 60, and by the timing right now it should be fine. So I'm going to get this off. Don't forget to close this, please. Don't forget to close this. It could be dangerous. Something else. Don't open. You cannot open this pot just right now. All right. You need to get the air out of here, because bad things can happen. So I usually do it this way because this can be pretty noisy. I put a little cloth on here, and then I start releasing the air little by little. Very noisy and annoying. That's why I was told to do it like this. And down. Very nice. The cloth helps. There. It should be all gone completely. And after this, I will be safe to start opening my pot. Alright? I remove these, I unscrew these, and I open my pot. Just that. Please be sure about this. Open and close. Be careful about this one. This is something you cannot afford to forget. Alright, and that will be it. Yeah, that will be pretty much it. I'm going to open this and take out my pieces, and it should be everything pressurized. And yeah, that should be about all.